Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Beyond the Weld. I'm Lou with Phoenix Laser. Obviously, in the first couple episodes, we talked about laser welding, how that compares to conventional TIG, talked about the importance of fixturing so we can have consistent, repeatable results with our different weldments. Today, we're going to talk about the service that helps support that, and that is machining. Being able to have our machining capabilities in-house is a huge asset for us as we're able to build all of our own fixtures. Some, as we had talked about in another episode, are real simple, some a lot more intricate. We also do a lot of different prototyping for customers where the machining centers are a huge asset, as well as repairs like this one here, where we are helping a customer in the glass bottle industry, pre-machining that surface that gets beat up while it's in use, then laser cladding that surface back up, and finally finish machine and inspect that before sending those to the customer. Now we're going to walk you through our machining center and highlight some of the new machines we've added to our arsenal in the last few years. Now is our milling department, and we've got 3, 4, and 5-axis mills. While being able to hold tight tolerances is extremely crucial when talking about machining, being able to handle parts of all different sizes is just as important. And that's why we continue to invest in more and more equipment for our machining department. We always try and be on the cutting edge of technology, but we can't forget about our manual department back here. Our mills, lathes, and grinders all provide additional support for our customers as needed. Some of our different turning centers, all of those include live tooling and our 2 largest and newest lathes back here. Really appreciate you guys checking in for another episode of Beyond the Weld. Please like, share, and comment, and we'll see you soon.